Hello, marketing department. This is Cisco from Amplified. I spoke with Danielle earlier this morning. We talked about how I would send you guys this free website audit, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So right away, something that I look for in any website, I look at their content. Do they have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And this is super important because some of the things that I look for is keywords. And the reason why is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Okay, and those keywords, you want them within your content. Oh, for example, these pictures here, are these pictures optimized, and do they have meta tags, meta descriptions? And the reason why you want those keywords is because you want to tell Google what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, if you're going to be servicing Orlando, because I know you service several areas, you want to tell your potential clients, hey, I service Orlando. And you want to get those buyer intent keywords, and I'm going to explain what those are here in a minute. So let's go ahead and jump over to this right here. This tells me how strong your website is, okay, overall. So this section here, this is your strength or your authority score, and you're currently being indexed at 20, and this is your trust score at 4.1. Google uses these scores to determine where they're going to rank you. Now, you have over 2,000 backlinks with 55 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement for your website. You're basically building trust with them, and they're going to vouch for you. It's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that you get relevant links within your industry. If you were to get links, for example, from a pizzeria, like let's say Pizza Hut, you're not in the food industry, so this would hurt your scores, which could be why your trust flow is really low. The last thing I want to go over here on Arabs is your keywords. What keywords are you currently ranking for? And what I'm looking for is I am looking for buyer intent keywords. For example, here, AC repair. Okay, 100 people are searching for this every single month, and you're currently ranked number 4, which is not bad, but only 100 people. Okay, so I look for every single city that you have, because based on what I'm seeing, you service several areas. You want to be ranking on all of these areas. Okay, and let's look for another one. Let's look for Orlando, just because Orlando is considered a bigger city, and I know there's a lot of folks that are needing your type of services in that area. So let's just dive in. Let's look at Orlando HVAC. Here we go. 250 people search for this every single month. Okay, and that's huge. So the one that I'm looking for is Orlando air conditioning repair. The reason why is because that specific keyword gets searched quite a bit. So look, here we go. Orlando air conditioning repair. 450 people search for this every single month. This is a different, very similar, right? Just different. Conditioning. 400 people search for this every single month. AC repair, 300. So just imagine adding just these three up, how much more business your business can have and grow. Now look at your position. So for this one, for the Orlando air conditioning repair, you lost it. You used to have it, you were at 71, but now you're not being ranked for it, so you're not going to show up. So let's just take this particular keyword and add it to the Google searches. Okay, let's take it step by step. So one, this is the Google ads. This is where folks or businesses are paying to be here, and they're being charged every time you click on them or you call them. This is the Google My Business page, the GMB, and which is my favorite. The reason being is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the GMB section. And the way to increase that is, one, your content. Optimize your content, optimize your photos, get more reviews, respond to those reviews, and send updates on the GMB. Those things help with your rankings. It shows engagement. The last thing that I'm going to go over is the organic listings. These are folks that just organically are ranking on Google pages for this particular keyword. Okay, so if we see here, we see Del Air. Okay, so let's just go over to Del Air. What are they doing? So once again, like how I do with your website, I look at their content. Do they have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? Maybe not all the way, but they got some. But they do have some type of Keywords, AC Repair, Orlando, Florida. These are right here, HVAC Repair. So these are keywords that they're ranking for. Now, same thing how we did with yours. Look at Arabs, right? Look at Orlando Air Conditioning Repair, 450. Their position is number 2. So if you have any more questions, you want to talk a little bit more as far as how and what you guys can do to increase your rankings for each of these cities, please email me back. We'll love your feedback as well. Want your thoughts. Thank you again. We'll talk to you guys soon.